to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital product mockup templates on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then we will move on to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help us decide if this product is really worth it or not. It's going to give us some insights and some data about the product, if it's really a winning product or not. Then I'm going to show you how you can create a product like that without even starting to create the products from scratch, just by getting some templates that are already pre-made. Then we will just add our touch, change some colors or some basic stuff. Then you will be left with your own product to sell on Etsy. So here, let's type the name of the product to start to see the examples. And the name of the product is Digital Products Mockup Templates. So let's click on search and give it a few seconds to load. It will take a little bit of time. So here, let's wait for it to complete loading. So here, the ones in the first line are only the products that are sponsored by Etsy sellers. As you can see, this one is sponsored by the seller, this one as well, this one here. And here, after it completed loading, we have the products that are right now popular. As you can see, this one is popular here. Same thing with this one. So we are going to choose one of these to take as an example. Let's choose this one here, a mockup Canva. Let's wait for it to load. MRR mockup Canva template bundle, more than 100 mockup digital product sales scenes with master resale rights. So here we can check this one here. And guys, before I take you to the spying tool, I'm going to talk first about the differences between digital products and physical products. So in physical products, you will have to deal with a lot of problems like returns, refunds, always paying attention to the stock to not run out of stock, delivering, taking care of the delivery time, always it has to be fast, and all of these problems. And also you will have to pay for a lot of fees, the delivering fee, the packaging fees, and all of that. But here in digital products, you will not need to worry about returns or refunds. There are no returns or refunds in digital products. Also, you will not have to worry about shipping or anything like that. You will just create your product, list it on your shop on Etsy, drop the price of the product, then leave it alone. Whenever someone buys the product, they will get the product instantly, and you will get the money in your bank account instantly as well, with no other problems and with no fees to pay. So here, let's go to the spying tool I have talked about, or the ones that I have mentioned in the beginning, which is Everbee. And let's wait for it to load. Here it will take a little bit of time. Here, let's click on sign up for free, and let's give it a few seconds to load. Then while we wait for it to load, let's take the name of this shop to see if this is really a product worth spending our time on creating or not. So here we are going to use the shop analyzer tool, which is a tool that is going to give us all of the insights about this shop, and it's going to tell us whether this product is making money or not, if it's getting a lot of sales or not. And also we will be able to see the products that are making the most sales in this shop. So here, let's go back to the spying tool. Let's click on the shop analyzer again, and here it's loaded. Let's drop the name of the shop, click on search, and give it a few seconds to load. Then we will be able to decide if you are really going to go for this product or we are going to choose another one on Etsy. So here, let's see the age of this shop. This shop's age is 5 months, and they have made a total of 659 sales in only 5 months. So that's a lot of sales to make in only 5 months, and a lot of money in their bank account, keeping in mind that all of their products cost $11, $6, 8. If you can just do the math and consider this 659 sales all for $2 or a $3 product, that's a lot of money, to be honest, in 5 months only. So here, let's choose, or let's look for this product, MRR Mockup Canva template, to see, and MRR baby bundle, that's not the one we are looking for. MRR Mockup Canva template, it was listed 1 month ago. So let's see how much money they have made with this product only. It costs $4, as you can see, and these are the reviews per month, and from the reviews we will be able to guess the amount of sales they made, because half of the people that buys the product leave a review, which means this product made this owner 10 sales this month. So that means this is a winning product for us to try, or for us to work on. 10 sales a month from one only product, that's a winning product for sure. So I'm going to show you how you can create a product like that for your own. You can just go to canva.com, which is a platform where you will be able to find templates like these in order to create, or in order to add some or change some basic stuff on the templates, and you'll have your own product ready to sell on your Etsy shop. So here, let's type the name of the product, which is digital product mockup templates, and let's wait for it to load. And here you will be able to see a lot of templates, as I said in the beginning, that you will just need to make some adjustments to, add your touch, or change the color, change the design, and then you will be left with your own product to sell on Etsy. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions considering this method, make sure to drop those questions in the comment section down below.